The program goal every year is to always put our team in a position to compete as one of the best teams in the MIAA with an eye towards postseason. Postseason in the conference, postseason at the NCAA tournament, and obviously giving our team members the opportunity to compete also for academic honors in addition to athletic honors. Maximizing the talent and the potential of our team members always at the top of this goal, and making sure that we build a team and that it can be looked upon in our community, representing Pittsburg State both successfully on the court and in the classroom. Well, one of the best things that we've seen over the last year or two was that the collective numbers of our veterans that we've retained over the past few years really did a great job of not just buying into what we've been trying to do with them since they came in as freshmen, but left that philosophy intact within the group that are returning. So we do believe the transition from last year to this year much more seamless, much better. We also had a lot of freshmen that contributed a lot last year, and because of the success of last year, finishing better, starting really well, even though we had some bumps in the middle, those young ladies have now become veterans in addition to the ones that have been here for 3-4 years. So we do believe that there's a great transition core in place. Now it's just a matter of meshing the new talent that we brought in along with the veteran group. We'll look at that in two pieces. The first group will always be the groups of players that have been here more than 2-3 years, usually the junior senior class. That class will be heavily looked upon in terms of understanding the program philosophy, both on the court performance behavior, off the court performance behavior, academic performance behavior, having pride in Pittsburg State. So whether it's on the court or off the court, that group of veterans have been here 3-4 years, usually will be the first group that we look at. Then there's the on the court, where people really come to see us play. While we look at our veterans, we're also looking at people that have been here for a year or two now, including new players to take on different roles. So the roles on the court obviously can be diverse in a lot of ways, but helping our young ladies that are here for the first time transition into what we do, who we are, in a lot of areas, we defer to our senior group tremendously. Well, we look at, again, the group of seniors that are being here and juniors. We look at Kirsten Erickson, we look at Abby Smith, we look at Krista McCall, we look at Jordan. Those are the core of our seniors. Then we look at the junior class in Sam, that we really believe after 2 years of handling the libero position and somewhere giving it up here and there, but we do believe Sam is maturing right now, really understands what this role really means, and we do believe that she has a window of opportunity to maybe take this to the next level. So we do have that 5-6 type players. Then we have a redshirt junior that is actually a sophomore for us in Haley Gregory. So we do look at that core that have been here together. But then we're excited about freshmen last year that had a great year. Crystal Whitten. We look at Haley Hansford, our setter, that did a great job. We look at a redshirt freshman, Olivia Rowdy Bush, that basically had a great spring. And then, of course, Paula Crute now, whose first year was last year, that we really believe has now transitioned after spring training to becoming a better versatile point scorer for us. So those group really would get a lot of the first look. But our freshman class, transfer class, exceptional. I think we have a group right now that definitely will be more versatile, more competitive, that will give us a lot of opportunity to do better things than we did last year. We look at the years that Pittsburg State was very successful. The models of how we did those things during those years, whether it was the recruiting class of 2000 that transitioned well when they finished into one of the best programs in the country in 2003 when they were seniors, or the 2005 group that transitioned well in 2008, 2009 again to become very dominant. While we lost some ground in between the recruiting class, this recruiting class this year Akins back and takes us back to those years. Versatility is one area of strength that we're really excited about. We feel that philosophically we can get back to the systems that we were very, very successful with in those years on the court. So we do believe that we'll be more tactically better, sure of ourselves, and the offensive versatility, defensive tenacity, ball control, passing, much more than it's been over the last 2 years.